Basin ugalag dinhi kanamo simbahong ka himayaon ka pasalamatan ay Señor Santo Niño dagang salamat o Santo Niño way sugot ang gugma mo ikaw ang hari akong Diyos ang kinabuhi ko Santo Niño salamat Jesus daghang salamat o Santo Niño way sugot ang gugma mo ikaw ang hari akong Diyos ang kinabuhi ko Santo Niño salamat Jesus Santo Niño salamat Jesus.
That was the Thanksgiving song by Ms. Danica Caballos. And now, friends, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome all of you for and in behalf of the Cebu Governor is the Capital Consultant on International Relations, Dr. Esther Velasquez.
От имени губернатора провинции Сибу выступит консультант по международным вопросам госпожа доктор Веласкес.
Distinguished personalities in this hall, good evening to all of you.
Добрый вечер всем.
It is my great honor to welcome to this historic hall of the Cebu Provincial Capital the delegates to the Director's Tour Program of Capital Tours.
Для меня большая честь приветствовать участников директорского тура в этом историческом здании провинции Сибу.
Thank you, ladies. Now, ladies and gentlemen, dinner is served. We have buffet stations located at both left and right sides of this wall. We are now